Yeah, I'm on fire.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
People, manners and prayer, give thanks to life. Welcome back to the channel. I that what said to dog. Go home today. I said, boy, I want something different to eat. Like when I go to the road, most of you go to the road, the same thing I get every day. You cook on something like that, you cook like the same thing I get out of the road. See, you want to do something different there, man. But follow me.
It's like walking through the jungle.
Follow me. Walk around something. Catch up fire.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know my thing going. I said, we'll catch fire. Yeah.
It's outdoor cooking today.
Why not? Do something different today. I can't really fool you today. Yeah. I'm foolish. I do something different today. I bet you know I wonder where I don't. What am I do? That's who know what I go on, man. I know I don't know what I do. I want to name guess me this regular and perhaps not.
Sorry, guess what?
Guess me this regular and perhaps not.
Okay, I've never heard that one.
Come on, these man. You go on, man.
Say it again.
Guess me this riddle and perhaps not.
Oh, guess me this riddle and perhaps not.
Yeah.
And perhaps not. Guys, the accent, you know. Guess me this riddle and perhaps not.
Yeah.
Okay. For all of us English speakers.
I don't know what thing there is.
You see a little smoke. See the little smoke, guys? Can you see that? We'll zoom in. Can you see? Yeah. Smoking up now. Who taught you how to make a fire? Who taught you how to make a fire?
Who taught me to do that?
Yeah.
Your uncle, man.
Okay.
You grew up with them people you can't wrong, you know. You just stick to the hero you know, you know. Every time you can't on Papi show, you know.
So your uncles?
Yeah, man.
Growing up as a young boy in the country?
Yeah, no, you can't go bush and look for oil. You can't take a stick alone and catch it in or some trash, you know. Yeah. You catch these things.
Boy, you haven't done outdoor cooking for a long time.
Long time.
It's been a long time since you did any cooking outdoor.
Yes, man. Go
Outside, yeah. See the flames to the side there.
Everything going.
I must try it one day.
What?
Light the fire myself.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I've watched you enough times.
Yeah. Suppose you can do it by this.
Okay, so it's coming on good.
You know what do you think, man? Work, you know. That for work. The chicken we are jerk.
So
that? One light, you know.
Yeah, look at that. You see the flames underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's something there.
Alright, you're going to make the people them know what you're doing? Are you going to show them?
I show them, man. I can show them what I want. I don't know everything. I don't know around the way I swing up. I want to thing where I go out right now. So that's something in my feet. Something, yeah. If I put my thing in there, you know. Yeah. Put my thing in that thing, yeah. And get it the right way I want it. I'm better not still know me talk about it, don't? Go, sir. fire up. Fire up like 7. Hey, there's something there. No one really talk about the next round. So I want to go about fire. You know, in a suspense. I wonder what am I going to do now, sir? I'm going to go roast two potatoes. I'm going to go roast one breadfruit. I don't know. I'm telling you something, man. Something different I'm going to do today. I'm going to roast this yam. And these are. I see what they beside it down. I'm going to roast that too.
So we've done this on our channel before, right? A long time ago. Some of you guys will remember. If you've been with us from the beginning, you'd remember when we had roast yam and saltfish. But I just feel for some roast yam and saltfish today, so Outlaw to fix it up for me.
Yeah? Put it together for you. I don't know anything going to put things together. I'm going to go natural right now. Natural something. And see that now, after I finish, after we get that ready, I'm going to eat and everything and put things together. We have something to wash down that. Look, you can't tell me the best thing to wash down that now, maybe even. What if you can't think what I'm talking about? What if you could tell me the best thing for wash down that right now? That was surprising, you know. Watch out.
Lime and sugar.
Why do you see everything there? Want to see everything there, dog? Yeah, man. Everything put together, man. That's everything set up. Something natural like cool, you know. You can mix up that together and put it cool. You don't know something they go. They come to a nice glass of cool sugar and water. Round everything there.
Yes, guys. So this is it today. Sugar and water. Roast yam and saltfish.
Oh yes, man. See that? Yam in a fire.
So is that too fiery right now? Okay. You get burned? You sure? People have thought that the fire just burned his fingers.
Yeah, so I'm going to get a piece of it, you know.
Yeah.
Good to go. Yes. My backyard, you know. Them something I forward. Yeah, soon already, man.
June plum.
June plum to the tea. Good like that. Yeah. Plum can done. But plum all up on the ground.
Yeah.
Hey, we have plum on the ground.
What else?
Something like that. See potato come. The plum can done. See potato come. Right, that's all. Yeah, man, you can put it in there right now. You can get.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, potato ready right now.
Sweet potato there. Sweet potato. You guys know this banana tree already, right?
I'm show you people so we have more things. You know everything go.
This tree is, yeah, there's always banana on this tree, always.
We call this blessing.
Yeah.
Some people see that thing as dressing.
Banana on the tree, and we've got one coming.
Yeah, man.
Here's a limit.
This coming sharply after that.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hand of banana. 7 hand. Yeah, man, banana up like 7. Right, LL we still about that.
And we did have, I think they're all picked off now, hot pepper. Hot pepper's finished. But over there, hot peppers, we did have hot pepper over here.
Oh, yeah, one shoot, so this one on it.
Okay.
Right, so it's up on top or so.
Up over there.
Lime tree.
Oh, is this lime tree?
Yeah, man. Lime tree, we don't know what I want with him. Not give me no lime.
Hasn't bed any lime.
No, record for no time.
Lime tree. Yeah.
Yeah, man, lime. Good tea, you know.
Yeah. We give thanks that we have a gardener that is, you know, I said it before, we have a gardener that's very green fingered and plants all these things so that the, you know, residents can bear.
Put that in front of that.
Okay, is it time to turn now?
Yeah.
So what do you use to turn it? Look at the utensils, guys. Look at the turning utensils.
Yeah, turning point.
Okay.
So it's the turning point.
2 pieces stick.
Yeah, so I want the thing of a soak, you know. So I don't want one place burnt, get too much fire. Turn it around and put it back in.
Okay. Careful. You stand back.
Yes.
Yeah, good.
Yes, no, please. Because I bought this up, you know. So we'll start off with this.
I mean, it's a nice drink. I won't say it's the most healthiest with the amount of sugar in it.
No, you're not going to sweet, you know.
I know, but
So you
I
know,
don't drink it too often.
yeah, my people. Sugar and lime. You got good drink in the fridge. Watch me now. You have a lime and now, you know. Yeah, squeeze lime. Yeah, lime is always fine.
How many of them you putting in?
Maybe about 4.
Yes, people, I was saying, it's not something that we have very often because it's a lot of sugar in there. It's a lot of sugar. So it's just something you have once in a while. Tastes good, but just have it once in a blue moon.
People not gonna say, maybe I'm trying to water on this. We don't have more sugar. Sugar is weak.
Well,
It's not strong like that.
he says it's weak, but
Yeah, man, it's something that weak people.
it's still a lot of sugar still. So we have to be health conscious at the same time.
At the same time, you have to mix out the water, babes.
How much you gonna ready? 3.
Just make 3. One more.
Yeah. I'll do the taste test.
Like as always.
As always.
Yeah, my peeps. Start this beverage, you know. And make some beverage, man.
Taste test. Tip a little bit in my hand. And taste it. That tastes good to me. Doesn't need to be more sweet, so you taste it and see what you think.
Good, man. I don't have to taste. I don't mind to have to taste. So I'm release me. No. Just do me thing like that.
Alright, people, let me tell you something about him. You see, whenever he's cooking or doing anything, he doesn't taste, you know. I will taste and go, you know, I will taste. Maybe that's why by the time I finish cooking, I'm not hungry.
Yes, I'm really full. I choose something, people. But when she don't cook, I think she's really full.
Yeah.
She tastes out everything out of that.
I taste as I go along to see, you know, does it need a bit more of this or a bit more of that. But Outlaw doesn't taste, he just cooks and that's it. He doesn't taste as he goes along. And it always seems to come out fine, so.
That's something I can't work up, you know.
So there we are, guys.
I'm still in my lane. You got no light, man.
That's fine. Sugar and water and lime.
Light, man.
You're shaking up the salt.
Yeah. Okay. Ready up?
Ready to roast?
Ready to roast.
So it's just a smoke now.
Yes. I will just do it for
With
them.
the flame's gone, it's just a smoke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
You go and do your thing in the meantime. Keep warm, you
Soulfish
know?
kind of camouflage with the the coal.
Yeah, people. Roast yam and roast saltfish. Yeah, we got the grassroots way, you know? Yeah, we do the grassroots way. Yeah. Look at this one about revelation, man. I don't know what I want, you know, but I don't know what I think.
Guys, it smells good already, I'm not gonna lie. You can just smell that saltfish on it already.
Yeah. Salt there, done. Right, that you know. Yeah, people, welcome back to the something here. That's something I named chuck out saltfish and scrape off time. Yeah. 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 Woof.
Yeah, so this is ready?
Yeah.
This is ready, guys. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat.
Carrot inside.
Yeah.
I'm for scrape, you know. I'm praying the people reach a point I know. Scrape there. No, that's something I go.
Isn't it hot?
What? Yes.
Yeah.
That's me I turn this up.
Can you make it cool down first?
No, I can't. When it's cool, it makes sense. You want it hot.
Okay.
I mean, man. Yeah. That's all I want my people. I'm if you tell you no. Watch me now. Tell us I don't know everything going on around the way I swing up.
And when you hear that cracking,
That's a crunch like the pizza.
yeah. Guys, I'm ready. Oh my gosh, the smell alone. People, the smell alone. It's hot though. The smoke coming out of that. You put some butter in it.
Right, Something on him with butter, you know.
Looks good, right? Yeah.
Melt all over it, you know. Me I tell you, taste. KFC can't no bad, sir. In a butter.
KFC is about chicken, love.
So where you gonna get corn?
Nah? Oh, what?
Corn, where you get corn?
Oh, corn, yeah.
KFC can't no bad like this, man, with butter. For them butter, that's not for them thing can't bad like this. Roast yam with butter, with and saltfish. KFC not nothing bad, sir. Look at that. KFC, keep from cooking.
Jamaica's national dish.
Yes, you go down there right now line, your judgment, you know, get you until more 2 hour time. Right now, if you go down there, so you know your thing.
I'm ready.
Ready, what you have to do now?
And the saltfish.
I'm going to do inexperienced, class. You can just get your point, you know, baby.
Alright, people, yes. Roast yam and saltfish. A little bit of the saltfish there, the rest is. So the rest in here. Have a little bit nice. I'm ready to eat.
I'm your business.
What you say?
I'm your business. I'm your business, baby.
Guys, I'm not even going to turn the camera on me, but I'm just going to eat. Guys. Woo. Hot, but oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. Babe, you did it. You did it. Yeah,
Madam Prayer.
you did it, babe.
But you can reach them taste, you know. Woman's taste, Lord God, not bad in the business. You know, for some man around there, I'm if I tell you.
Guys, no, ma'am. You need Outlaw to come around and do this for you. Honestly, you need them to come around and do this for you. Yeah.
People, it's me I drive the vehicle. Good like that, man. These are good.
I'm good, but one thing's missing.
That's enough. That's enough.
People, it tastes so good. Yeah. People, when you eat this, you act like you ain't got no sense, you know. You just eat, yeah. You just can't stop. People, it is so good. It's so good. That's a new business idea. Outlaw can roast yam and saltfish on the road, innit, and sell. What do you say? It's good, guys. So good.
Yeah, my people. When last time I think, you know, so I just carry on two things and people show